Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, Maria is going to show you how to create a smooth and professional looking progress bar using Canva. Whether you're making YouTube videos, presentations, or social media content, this simple trick will take your visuals to the next level. And trust me, you won't want to miss this, because at the end, Maria will share a bonus tip that makes your progress bars even more dynamic. So stick around till the end, and let's get started.
Alright guys, so now we are here in Canva and I'm gonna show you guys a simple way how you can create your progress bar to your quiz or to whatever project that you are making that you need to create a progress bar. So I'm going to show you a sample of the project that I am working. I'm not finished yet. It's still I'm still working on it. So this is it. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is a quiz that I created for my class. It's all about community helpers since that is our theme for the week. So I just want to show you guys how it looks like. If you want to create your own, so just be creative, okay? So this is how it looks like.
Who helps put out fires and rescues people in danger?
Alright, so I put the questions, I put the image, and I pop up the answer at the end with those sound effects that you can also get in Canva, and I'll show you guys later how you can do that. Okay, let's watch the second one.
Who helps keep us safe and catches bad guys?
Alright, so guys, the kids are having fun, waiting for that ping pong before they answer the or guess the answer for this question. So this is how I created my progress bar for my class. Alright, so let's go click the video, click this video, and now we have this blank template. Okay, let's put the color on this so it's easy for you guys to see here. Alright, so let's say let's use this purple color so it's easy for us guys to see. So there's a simple way that you can create a progress bar without animating or anything elements that you want to put on it. Just create a shape on this. To do that, you just go to elements, type shapes, and then let's get this bar. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this. Okay, you can change the color or any color that you want to. So I'm gonna change the color to so that you can easily see, guys. So let's change to this dark gray so that you can see. And now let's put some corner rounding. Let's put 100 so as you see, guys, and then let's put some border. Then you can choose any border that you want. So I'm gonna choose this one and make this border a little bit just like that, and I'm gonna change the color to a white so it's easy for you guys to see. Okay, so this is the bar that we're gonna use to our project. So okay, so if you don't want to use any animation or things like that, you can also use this one by just clicking this and duplicate it. Alright, so I'm gonna change the color of this to let's make a little bit lighter, just like that. Alright, and then I'm gonna put this one over here on the top of this. Okay, let's make it a little bit smaller so I can see the the white line over here, just like that, and on the other side. Alright, there you go. Let's make a little bit bigger so you can see. So this is how it looks like, and you can adjust this anytime. You can adjust this and change the color if you want to. Alright, so now here is the bar that I created, and to make this move, what we're gonna do is just to move this and create another page for this. So this is a 5 seconds, so let's make this like maybe okay, let's say 2 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna start from this bar. I'm gonna move this one over here, and then we're going to duplicate the page and move this one over here, duplicate the page and move the bar over here, duplicate, move, I will keep going, guys, and I'll see you in the end. Alright, so now we're done. So if 2 seconds is too slow for you guys, you can always adjust the time here. Okay, just click this one and adjust the time for maybe let's say 1 second each. Alright, so now that's how you can create a progress bar. But you can create the longer, you can create a shorter one. But if you want to make it a little bit faster, then you can adjust this to 5 seconds or 1 second, or like what you see here, that I just make a little bit shorter so it goes fast a little bit. Okay, so now once you finish with that and you want to put some sounds, you're going to elements and then just type here clock ticking. Okay, so there you go, clock ticking, and let's see the audio. So let's see what we can find it here. So you see this one, there is no crown, so maybe you can use this. Okay, this one also. Okay, so if you like, for example, you like this one, well, if you don't have a pro account, then you can use this free ones that doesn't have a crown under. So I'm gonna get this one, and then I'm just gonna pull this over here. There you go. So let's start from the beginning. Or if you want to put some sounds at the end. All right, so let's say I want to put this here at the back. Okay, I'm just gonna adjust this one over here. How it sounds like at the end once the timer is finished. Alright, so you can do that too if you want to. So you can play around with these guys and create your own for your progress bar. Alright, so you can also change the color, guys, if you want to, for color by color, but you have to click each page for this. So for example, on this page you want this to be like okay, let's say pink, and at this page then you want this to be like hold on, purple, and then this page you want this color, this one, and this page this. Okay, so let's play around with this, guys, from the beginning, and let's see how it looks like for changing colors of your bars. Alright, there you go. So that's how you can create your own progress bar inside of Canva.